Hello, my favorite entrepreneurs. I hope that you're having a blessed evening. I just wanted to pop on here. Sorry, there's like a crazy glare. I don't have my little stand for my phone, so I'm propping it up on my computer, and the screen is like blue and it looks a little crazy. Anyway, so excuse my hair. It's a rainy day in Jamaica today, and hairspray and rain, they don't mix so well. So my hair is all crunchy looking, and it feels crunchy too. Anyway, I just wanted to pop in here to make sure you know a couple things that are going on. So my husband and I have launched Born to Shine Network. So our company is Born to Shine. We believe that entrepreneurs and everyone has been born to shine, but sometimes you need a little bit of help, right? So the Born to Shine Network is launching. Wednesday is our first Zoom. It is business training and it is networking. So you will meet people from all around the globe, and you might think, well, why do I need to meet people from all around the globe? Well, what if somebody's on there from Jamaica, but their cousin lives in New York and you live in New York? This is how networking works. You never know who's going to know somebody else. My friend Mary West, she also has a networking event, and she always says, you never know who's going to know someone, something like that. Anyway, you get the picture. If Mary West is watching, what's the saying again? You never know who knows. Anyway, you understand, right? So stop thinking small. Think big, okay? Think big, because you really don't know who knows somebody else, okay? I live in Jamaica. My children are in Maryland. We have children in Pennsylvania. You know, my husband and I have lived in many different places. So you just don't know, right? But you don't know who's going to be there. So anyway, my husband and I have 35 years of experience in business each. So that's 70 years, and we're going to pour into you. Then you're going to network with other business owners. So your brain is going to be like, what? This is so awesome. Anytime that you can pour into yourself, you always want to be thirsty for knowledge. That is how you achieve success. You were like, okay, I need to learn something else. I need to, be in the space of people who've been there, done that. It's really important that you find a great networking group, and we're hoping that this will be the one that we provide for you. So no charge for you to come to the Zoom, but you have to register because we need to send out the Zoom link to you. It's borntoshinenetwork.com. If you scroll down in the group, you will see there's an event, and in the event it has the link to register. So I put the event on Facebook just so that I can reach you guys, but the event is actually on Zoom. It's going to be a phenomenal experience. We are super excited. It's going to be Wednesday at 8 o'clock Eastern. So please do register. If you can't make it, you can choose the button that says I can't make it, but keep me posted for future networking events. Again, we're super excited. You're going to learn a lot. It's going to be an amazing time. If you know, this is for women and men. Typically only work with women, but we're reaching out for everyone right now. Okay, so if you know someone who's a plumber, a hairstylist, a disc jockey, a travel agent, a real estate agent, tell them about this. Don't keep it to yourself, okay? Because it's all about networking and learning. So we hope to see you. Again, it's borntoshinenetwork.com. We hope to see you. Bye.